what happens with the cliches in hospitals is that you have a standard hospital or a standard academical hospital, and it's not fit for children. We really tried to define that into a few zones, and we had our hands free on the rest of the ceilings, and we could make this into something that looks more like a house, or more like a school, or more like a shop, but not like a hospital. And the ceilings, they play a very prominent role in this new layout and this new atmosphere. So we came up with revolutionary new ideas, and we rearranged it in a way that we had 3, 4, or 5 different ceiling types, and we could actually design with it. We made it into an integrated part of the complete interior. Of course, we need to meet all the requirements in the technical and acoustic sense, and in terms of hygiene. So in social terms, in aesthetical terms, and in technical terms, it works well.